our Gelato ice cream batch machine. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 20.5 inches. A depth of 22.25 inches. And a height of 52.25 inches tall. Measurements for the bottom tray, we have 13.75 inches in length by 9 inches in depth. Coming to the top will be a flip door to pour in your ingredients to create your ice cream. Right side locking mechanism that will release the door. And coming to the inside will be the blade that will churn your ice cream. The dimensions for the interior, we have 8.5 inches in length by 10.5 inches in radius. The door will close, and with the locking handle, it will secure the door in place. Coming to the right side will be the touch screen and all the features to create your ice cream. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification along with the 110/120 voltage. Included will be the manual along with the additional O-ring along with an extra belt. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.